Today I was wrong about one of my entry points and wrong about where the market was going to go, but I still made money. How is that possible? Let's talk about it in today's video. Traders, welcome back on the Road to 20 PA video series. Today was day 68. Today we went 6-0 with 6 winning trades. We made $330 of profit on our PA account and $230 on our EA account, both of which we reached our target profits for the day. And I just want to talk about being wrong in the market but still making money. This new strategy allows me to not have to be as precise in my price action analysis as I used to have to be, because we're not scalping for as many points as we used to be. So as you can see, these blue arrows that we have marked right here on the chart, and this group right here that's marked HPA1, and this group right here that's marked HPA2, that means high probability area 1 and high probability area 2. You can see we have the arrows facing upwards because I was expecting prices to reach back into the range and go to the top of these range highs, but it didn't happen. We actually got rejected off the previous support, which turned into resistance, and the market went down. But we still scalped out a couple trades here. I think it was about 4 trades that we made in this area, and we still scalped out and we still made money, which is awesome. Let's get into the live trades and let's see how we did that today. Alright guys, starting the video.
Order submitted.
As we're at our first high probability area of the day. Let's see if we can get filled real quick.
Order filled.
And we're filled. Let's see if we can get out super quick.
Target filled.
And we're out.
Order submitted.
Let's go for one more if we can.
Order filled.
Oh, that was a strong shoot down.
Order submitted.
We're going to re-enter at the EMA if we get a good signal bar. This market's very volatile today, so you got to be more careful about getting in and getting out, because the bars are moving very fast just like this, so price can climb away from your entry point very quickly. The strategy works a little bit better on more range-like days with lower volatility, in my opinion, so just got to be a little bit careful. But this is first entry long pullback, second entry long at EMA. This is a very good bullish trap bar right here, and we can expect to work a little bit higher.
Order canceled.
There we go.
Order filled. Target filled.
All right. And now we have failed second entry short at EMA.
Order filled. Target filled.
Again, now we have first entry short pullback, second entry short failure at EMA. Sellers got trapped, and we can scalp up to this next high right here, because we could make another leg up like this very shortly. I'm going to wait for my next scalps to see if this bar closes bullish.
Order submitted.
Maybe we'll be able to get one more out of it, but it's looking like it's wedging now. Yeah, I'm actually going to be done.
Order
canceled. I don't like the way it's looking. It's wedging. You can see we have a wedge pattern forming, and whenever there's a wedge like this, it's going to break one way or the other eventually, so you want to be careful that you're on the right side. And I feel like it's kind of gambling at this point. I feel like the failed second entry short should have really took off to the upside, and since it's kind of consolidating, I'm gonna hold off for a little bit. But that was our first high probability area of the day. I'll start the video when we get to our next one. And then just to start the video, to explain something real quick, the great thing about this strategy is that you can be wrong and still make money as long as you're not terribly wrong. As you can see, the direction we expected the market to go was actually the wrong direction. The market ended up breaking down to the downside a little bit here. This price level is holding, but we are getting another measured leg right here to the downside, which is not what we were expecting. I mean, we expected it, but I thought the bulls were going to win because of this overshoot, and we pushed strongly above the EMA. But now we're attempting to get a new low here, but we still made money and we got in and out of the market. And that's why I'm really starting to like the strategy, because you can be wrong and still be right as long as you are in and out very quickly. So just wanted to say that real quick. Alright guys, starting the video in our second high probability area of the day. What we have here is a trading range like structure. We're going sideways in this downtrend, and what we have, we might get a close here. What we have from this high is first entry long, pullback, second entry long, failure. Very very strong bull bar to trap a lot of buyers that aren't seeing this trading range structure and who are buying directly into the highs. You can expect sellers to come in and push prices to the low of this trading range. Also, you have first leg up, pull back, second leg up. They're almost measured, so when you have two legs in one direction, you can expect correction or reversal. And you can see we have one leg down. We can expect a second leg down with this failed second entry long. With these two legs up, the correction phase is done. The push phase should resume. Pretty bearish day. See if we can get a close below EMA. And we're breaking to the downside. We just triggered the second entry long failure. Let's see if we can get filled real quick with a little bit of a pullback.
Order submitted.
All right, and we are in. Let's see if we can get the scalp real quick. Whoa.
Order canceled.
And we are out. Can probably get another one.
Order filled.
And we are filled.
Order
See if we can get the
submitted.
scalp real quick. If it pushes up, we can also buy at EMA again. I guess the support line might be a little bit higher than we have drawn right here, which isn't the best for our take profit. Let's see if we can get some sellers
Order
in
filled.
at the EMA here. Get a little bit of a pullback. Let's just try to get out of this one now.
Order canceled.
And we are scalped out. That's going to be our daily target profit of the day. That one was a little stressful because what I thought happened was that I drew the range wrong, and I thought the support was more right here. And in that case, if it was here, I was selling directly into the support, which is a little bit risky. But even if that trade went against us, our stop loss was right about at the high of this two-legged pullback, like this. The stop loss was like right here, so it was right at the top of the swing. And very bearish day. You can expect prices to continue working lower. This trend line was holding. Failed second entry long. Decently good entry point to get in on. You just have to be careful. Even if it did start pushing back above the EMA, we would have scaled in at this resistance level. And since our stop loss was above the range, we could have got some sellers coming up here too, and it could have pushed us down as well. So a lot of areas in the opposite direction of our trade that we could have scaled in at, a lot of key entry points that would have caused sellers to come into the market in our direction, but it wasn't necessary. We did scalp out after we scaled in just once at the EMA, and the sellers did come in and push the prices lower, which is good. Let's get to the stats for today, and then I'll wrap up the video. Stats. And those were our 6 live trades for the day. All of them were winners. One of them we did scale in with, so it was double the leverage. And let's get over to the statistics for the day. Looking at the stat sheet, we have today's the 11th, January 11th. We went 6 winning trades, 6 winning trades, 0 break-even trades, 0 losses. My notes for the day was be careful on trending days and with breakout pullback patterns. I do not know why. I just seem to get myself in trouble with breakout pullback patterns. If you look at the chart where I took my trades today, we had a trading range. We broke out, we pulled back, and I was expecting to not hold at this level right here. I was expecting it to go back into the range and fade the range, but the breakout pullback pattern prevailed stronger, and my prediction was wrong. And then same thing with right here. It wasn't really a breakout pullback, but it was a trading range. I was expecting to go lower and to break out of the range, and it actually pushed up and reversed up very strongly. Very strange, though. That one's not as bad. The first one is where I have to be careful and where I make most of my mistakes. This one is just the market just seemed to reverse at this point, and this trend line didn't hold. But yeah, back to the stat sheet real quick. Again, on our daily, we have 100% profit goal nearly for the first 3 days of trading this strategy. We've made about $1,000 this week, and we are well on our way to our first payout. So hopefully we don't take any losers. Again, when we do take a loser, we'll really see this strategy's discipline come into play, because you can make a lot of money very fast, but you can also lose a lot of money very fast. So we'll see how it goes. Another good day for us. And if you're still watching the video up until this point, that means you probably like the video. So please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe down below. And even leave a comment telling me how you traded today, what you guys did, how you liking the new strategy that we're trading, anything. I love hearing from the community, and I love hearing from fellow traders like yourselves. Also, if you want to trade on the same accounts that I do, make sure to click the link in the description. Check out Apex Trader Funded. I'm not sponsored by them. I just think that's the best prop firm out there. Make sure to use my affiliate code for a 70% off discount. it helps me out a whole bunch. With that said, I hope you guys made $1,000 today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Peace out. Have a great day, guys.